Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Nameless area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Cedar Park's Nameless area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park Texas Nameless service, body repair service estimate. Even if we have vehicle insurance policy to fall back on when we get into a crash, recognizing the prices of crash repair is advantageous in the future as a result of the influence it is on future PR. Recognizing how much a repair can potentially cost additionally influences just how you will deal with a crash repair shop. And also, if the damage to your vehicle is extensive enough, recognizing the possible price of repair will aid you choose on whether to assert for a total loss or not. As many vehicle owners may have experienced, premiums do climb based on an owner's case's history, and also recognizing when to assert or not has an influence on your future funds. Why do apparently simple repairs, such as repairing a dented bumper, price so much? It's not only the crash repair shop's markup, although it is a variable to take into consideration. An uninformed owner may assume that it's a simple matter of taking out the bumper, wailing away with a hammer, applying some filler and afterwards painting things. Well, one could do that, yet would the end result be a coating that you would boast of along with retain the value of the vehicle? More than likely not. Many prices related to crash repair are things that are not obvious to the untrained eye. Cords and also sensors may need to be replaced. A non-visible subassembly may need to be aligned. A urethane bumper may need added layers of primer or filler. Or there may be gaskets, seals or trim that demand replacing to ensure a leak-proof cabin. Then include in that the price of labor for properly doing a specialist work, and also those little things quickly build up. If you take a close look at the damage to your vehicle in this sort of light, you will understand that the parts and also labor needed to restore your vehicle to its unscathed condition actually do build up. To get an even far better suggestion of what it would cost a crash repair shop to repair your vehicle, checklist the parts you assume will need replacement and also head down to a parts supplier. When taking into consideration a price quote for the damage to your vehicle, don't limit yourself to what is obviously damaged. Additionally, consider what could be wrong. Labor costs vary, yet it's secure to claim that the more experienced and also experienced the technicians are in an offered crash repair shop, the more pricey they will be. On the plus side, you will be ensured that they will get the repair done appropriately and also quickly. This is additionally important to bear in mind when dealing with repair chains. Consistency is not always their strong suit, and also where one branch may have excellent top quality, the next may be marginal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.